What's up guys, Drew from DEO Productions here, back with another video. I've got a good one for you today, but of course, as you know, I did change the channel name, so if you could hit subscribe, hit like, and comment on the videos so that I know you guys are enjoying them, as always. So today, I've got a new one. I got a new unboxing and first impression video, and it's going to be of a camera that is going to be replacing my phone. That is going to be doing my daily upload videos and stuff like that, as well as any action shots or photos that I need to take. It's a good one, and it is the Panasonic G7. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Of course, I got my awesome Mantis knife. And really the purpose of this video is just to get a quick unboxing. This is not going to be a review video, just to be a quick unboxing and first impressions video so that you guys know what to expect if you go out and get this particular item. That's a crap load of packaging. And here we go. Get it out of the box, toss that guy aside here. Alright, so on the actual box itself is the Panasonic DMC-G7K, or better known as the Panasonic G7. It is capable of recording in 4K, and that's really the main reason I bought it. It is a very, very cheap camera, guys. You can get this for $490 to $500 on some sales. Now this one, of course, cost me a little bit more. I had the kit lens and stuff like that. I also bought an SD card with it, so I paid right around $6. But you can get better deals and stuff like that. This particular model I went with over some of the other 4Ks because, you know, I'm not doing tons and tons of filming where I'm maybe hours of 4K and just thousands of photos. So I really wanted a nice budget 4K camera. This is probably the best budget 4K camera out there for what you get. Absolutely feature packed for what you pay and for the brand. So on the front of the box you have a picture of the actual Lumix G7 itself. It is black. Lumix G Vario 14 to 42 millimeter Mega OIS lens that comes with it. You got the Lumix G series emblem down here, picture of it. Of course, it's by Panasonic. Come around to the other side, you've got the model of the camera, and you get the digital camera and the lens kit. Obviously supports one set and it's HDMI. It does support 4K. So on the back here you get a bunch of different stuff. I'll read them off to you so you can see them. 16 megapixel camera, full HD, also with 4K. 8 frames per second burst shooting, obviously it does support that. It supports low light autofocus, touch autofocus, free angle LCD, and I'll show you all these things when I open them up. Time-lapse shot, 4K, built-in flash, creative control, scene guide, does have wireless. Has all the technology you would kind of expect in a camera these days. It's not going to break the bank either, which is really what I enjoy. So in the box, oh, these are optional accessories, okay. So you can get the DMW MS2 stereo shotgun microphone. I have a Rode microphone that I'll be using. You can get the flash. You can get a shutter remote control battery pack and a mount adapter here. Is what it shows you you can get optionally. So you get Dear Customer, and you can upgrade the firmware in a couple different languages here. You get some more information here, English. The symbols on this product represent the following, and it tells you what AC and DC symbols are. That's wonderful. More how to use the camera, it's a quick start guide basically, bunch of nonsense. And this is some of the other documentation you get. You get the Panasonic Lumix DVD applications owner manual. The computer I have don't even have a CD player, so I'm going to have to get a USB external. You get micro four thirds lens setup. Again, this is probably all the different lenses you can get and how to set it up and stuff like, oh yeah, there's a whole bunch of lenses you can get. And I won't be the first to claim I know a lot about cameras, because I don't. So this is going to be my first real experience with a DSLR and something that shoots in 4K. But really I did it to just spice up my videos a little bit, make them a little better quality so you guys can see the product a little bit better. You get a quick guide for the 4K, and you get it again in Espanol. And then you get the basic owner's manual, and you get the basic owner's manual in 3 different languages. That's interesting. I'm not sure why they just didn't combine it into one, as most people do. You get the product registration card, as well as a limited worldwide warranty. So that's awesome. So let's open the camera itself. Of course, right on the top you just have the contents of the paperwork there. And then opening up the box itself, you get the camera strap, which is a nice leather camera strap. Well, full leather. No, that's real leather. It's really nice, actually. Nice and grippy on the bottom. You get that Lumix G plastic clips here on the side. No metal, cloth, and leather. Really nice, really grippy. So easy to go around. Won't be sliding off too much. Really nice. The Canon SL2 had that as well. Really nice. I really enjoyed it. The camera itself, unbelievably light, unbelievably compact and small. Another reason I went with this over some of the other models I could have gotten. And you have... Now, I never did figure out what this was. I'm not going to lie. I'm assuming it's something for the focus or low light situation. I know it goes on the outside of the lens. That's about all I know. Again, I don't know a lot about cameras, but I did want to do an unboxing of this for you guys to see what you'll get. The lens is really small. A lot smaller than the Canon SL2 lens. And very, very light. Very light. Almost scary light. But really nice. It's got the covers on both ends to protect them. Of course, that's what you would want. And then you get the battery pack. You get the micro USB cable, not USB-C. It is micro USB to USB-A. And you get the charging pack. Pretty simple, standard charging pack. Plug it into the wall. Really nice. Not really much different than the Canon SL2 that I unboxed. So that's really it when it comes to the box contents. I'll pull that off to the side and get some of this out of the way. Let's take a look at the camera itself. Really small, really light, really compact. Probably a little less of a footprint than the Canon SL2. Probably not, a little bit bigger than the A6300 and A6500, but I really like it. It's got a real boxy feel to it. It's not real round or anything. It is very, very light. I do really like that. And the LCD is a nice glossy touchscreen LCD. Really nice. Does come all the way around so that you can see what you're shooting. And I have nothing there. You got some symbols on the inside: Wi-Fi, 4K, and micro. And then you've obviously got all the different menu options. You've got the trash button, the ISO button, the white balance button, the menu, the play button, and a whole slew of options up here. The shutter button, record button. No complaints. Really nice. I think this is going to be a really nice camera. Let's go ahead and plug in the lens. Of course, you can get this mirrorless. I'm not sure why you would get it mirrorless, but hey, to each his own. And just like the Canon SL2, probably as most DSLRs, you just kind of slide it in there and lock it in, like a switch grip on a bowling ball. And then to take it off, you have the button over here. You just press and turn it. And of course, this is how you zoom in and out. For that lens, I'll take the front off of that. Lumix G Vario 1 to 3.5 to 5.6, 14 to 42 millimeters. Mega OIS sensor. So, really, really nice. I have absolutely no complaints. And for what you get for the price, it is really going to be feature packed. You're going to get a 4K camera. Not many 4K cameras are under $1,000. One of the best that a lot of YouTubers use is the A6300 and A6500. That costs around $1,400 and $1,500. And if you want the different lenses and stuff like that, of course, it's going to run you up a little bit there. But absolutely no problems here. I absolutely really enjoy this. It is going to be a nice camera, nice addition to my photography gear and YouTube gear. I really am going to start filming on it. The next video that's coming out is going to be filmed on this with this set, so I hope you enjoy the set too. I hope you are enjoying all my videos. Of course, subscribe down there. Hit the like button, comment. This has been a quick unboxing of the Panasonic G7 camera. Peace.